Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to another RWeb Creations video. This is actually my first video of the year, so I want to wish all of you guys and your loved ones a special, happy, blessed, and wealthy 2021. All the best for all of you guys. That being said, today it's going to be a special day because finally, as you can see behind me, we're working on the DSM again, and finally, hopefully by the end of this video, it's going to have a new interior. As you guys can see, my father is already working on it. Me and my father, we went ahead and advanced a few things that we had to do. As you guys can see it in the back of the new carpet, it's already installed in the back. We have an amplifier. We also ran a few sound wires in the back. Of course, we have to clean all of these things up, but you guys can see there's a huge progress on the DSM. And as I said, hopefully by the end of this video, the DSM is going to have its new interior. So stay with me guys, let's go. So guys, as you can see, the interior is stripped, but it's very dirty. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna clean everything up and prep it for its new carpet. This is my father. What are you doing?
Morning guys. I'm trying to cover up the easy wire with electrical tape so everything goes nice and smooth how it should be.
So guys, there you have it. Let's start cleaning all this mess up. So what you see here is our new ACC carpet. This is how it comes from factory. Obviously we have to cut out the holes, and my father has the old carpet right there. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna lay the old carpet on top of the new one and cut the holes for the new carpet. So we're making progress. Let's go. So guys, as you can see, there's the carpet installed into the car. It looks very nice. I'm so happy with the results. Dad, what do you think?
Well, I will say that
looks like new, right?
What a hell of a day, but it's start to look good, so that's important.
Guys, this is not easy. It's hard work, it's a lot of work for sure, but the end results makes it worth it. So right now what we're going to do is we're going to install the center console and the side panels so we can proceed on installing the new interior on the car. You ready?
Ready?
Let's do it. So guys, here's a quick look of the interior with the center console installed. I'm very satisfied and very happy on how this is turning out. It's turning out to be very nice. These are the old brackets that I got with the orange seats. We're gonna adapt them to the new ones. We have to do some more trimming on the carpet. This is the ACC cut pile black with the mass backing option. It helps with the heat and the sound deadening. So I really recommend you guys to purchase the carpet with the mass backing options if you're going to buy a ACC carpet. The fitment is awesome. Obviously you have to do some trimming, but the fitment is nice and the quality of the product is very nice from ACC carpet. So I really recommend it for you guys who are planning to refresh your interior. So it's coming along very nicely. It's more work than we thought of. So if you're planning on doing this kind of work, I really recommend you guys to have a lot of patience. Do it on a day that you have a lot of time, so you can do it nice and easy because you have to have a lot of patience to do this kind of work. So it's coming along very nicely. I'm very excited to see how it's going to turn out. So let's keep going.
The next day.
So guys, it's early in the morning. We woke up early today because we have a little project aside of the eclipse today. We're going to install a new carport that I bought for the RX-7. As you guys know, Aruba is very sunny pretty much the whole year, and the sun destroys the interior of these cars. So I bought a new carport for the RX-7. I had a tent for the RX-7, but you know, those pop-up tents, they don't last long, and Aruba is very windy, so the wind destroyed the tent. So I had to buy a new carport with a thicker steel frame for the RX-7. So that's the project for this morning. Let's go.
Y ya no sabes lo que pasa. El primer verso, papi. Lo que manda aquí la clave. Este ritmo guaguanco, esto es lo que existe. Y también chamaco, nadie nos resiste. Aquí estamos bravos, la chema tan brava. Esta vida es brava, y yo también soy bravo. Por eso lo que repica son los cueros. Aquí lo que suena a fuego. Mueve la abuela el pescadero, hasta lo mueve el aduanero. Norte al sur, lo vemos viendo. La orilla del mar, nos ve sonriendo. Y yo sé lo que tenemos no es para huevo, y esto divino. Por eso lo que hacemos quitar tu mano con ritmo letalero. Saben lo que pasa. Mi abuelita ahora tiene masa. Aquí lo que falta el cajón. En esta jungla soy el gran león. Armen las cosas en el malecón. Lo que gozamos es salsa y son. Ya saben lo que repica son los cueros. Tengo la clave, soy el suero. Esta vida es fuego, por eso quiero una vida suave, soy sincero. Que viva mi.
So guys, here's the end results of the carport. I'm very happy and satisfied with the quality of this carport. It's from Quick 10. So if you guys are interested on purchasing a carport like this, I'm gonna leave the link down below in the description box. We still have to do the front part because it closes all around, but we decided to leave it like this for today. As you guys can see, Aruba is very windy, so it seems to be holding good. I'm very happy with the quality of this carport. And yeah, so guys, now that we have that out of the way, we can continue with the Eclipse. And also, I'm very excited for the RX-7 build, guys, which is going to be crazy for sure. As you guys know, the RX-7 is a legendary, iconic JDM car, which is also a dream car for a lot of people, including myself. So you guys can imagine how grateful and thankful I am. Thank God that I have the opportunity to be part of the FD family and own one of these legendary cars. And I want you guys to be part of the build. So if you haven't, please go hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification button, so you can be up to date and notified whenever I upload a new video. So guys, that being said, let's continue. So as you guys can see, it's already getting dark. So what I'm going to do right now is, you guys can see how dirty the DSM is. So I think it's a perfect time to wash it. So I'm going to wash the car. As I said in the beginning of the video that we were going to complete the whole interior today, but I missed a slight detail that I noticed when we were working on the car today. Let me show you guys. It's the headliner. I don't know if you can see it, but we need to reupholster the headliner. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to wash the car, and I'm going to do this video, split this video into two parts. This is the first part, guys. So let's get going. Let's wash the Eclipse, and then I'm going to finish this video, and you guys should be pending for the part 2 of this video, which is going to be crazy, and we're going to get end results for sure. So bear with me, let's go. As you can see in the background, the DSM is all clean and covered up, ready to go to sleep. I want to thank you guys for taking the time to watch my videos. Thank you for the support. As I said before, if you haven't, please make sure you like and subscribe. Help us grow, and catch you on the second part of this video. Make sure you don't miss it. That being said, you guys take care and keep it sideways, baby. Let's go.